How to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. I've just got my Spotify Wrapped, and these are my top artists and my top song of 2024. If you are facing this issue that you cannot check any of your artists or your top or your Wrapped in your Spotify, check out this quick and easy step. So, first and foremost, you need to reset or refresh your Spotify. In order to do so, check out your phone settings. In your phone setting, navigate to the apps option and head over to all apps. Now, in here, you need to check out the application of Spotify. Then tap on the four-stop button and head over to permissions. Make sure you have allowed every permission that is required. Then head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. After that, you can just tap on the open button and you can log in. Once you log out of your Spotify, then make sure to refresh your application. Then click on the wrapped icon, which will be at the top. Now you can check out all of the top artists and track along with your own as well. If you're still facing such issue, the last resort would be to uninstall your Spotify application and reinstall it later. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much. This sums up the